For sale, house and lot, near NSCR Terminal. Location, Ayukit Subdivision, Turo, Bocaue, Bulacan. Just a 3-minute walk to the upcoming NSCR Bocaue Station, ideal for commuters and future property value growth. Property features: lot area, 230 square meters. Built in 2020, 2-story house. 1 master bedroom plus 2 bedrooms. 2 bathrooms. 2 kitchens. Large parking space. Elevated lot, backfilled close to 1 floor height. Located in a quiet, secure community. Great for family living or future investment. Excellent value with MRT7 development nearby. Flood-free. Accessibility and nearby establishments. Major roads and transportation. NLEX. Bocaue Crossing. Shopping and entertainment. Philippine Arena. Pure Gold Bocaue. Bocaue Public Market. Hospitals and medical services. St. Paul Hospital. Dr. Yangas Hospital. BMMG. Bocaue Medical Specialist Hospital. Schools. Sto Niño Academy. Dr. Yangas Colleges. St. Paul Bocaue. More photos available upon request. Message now for price and viewing schedule.